Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin on clean, damp hair. This matters because water helps curls form. Apply a small amount of leave-in or curl cream. Distribute from ends to roots for slip and hold. Next, divide hair into 4 to 6 sections and clip them. This prevents reworking the same strands and reduces frizz. Once done, detangle gently with a wide tooth comb or your fingers so each curl pattern can clump. Make sure to work quickly but carefully because timing affects definition. You now focus on shaping. Choose shingling or raking to lay product into each strand. That creates clumps and definition. For consistent results, take 1 to 2 inch subsections and either twist or finger coil each piece, twisting toward the scalp to set the pattern. Apply a pea-sized amount of gel or mousse to each subsection for hold, then scrunch upward to encourage spring. Once you finish a section, move on without touching it again, because handling disrupts the cast and causes frizz. You finish by drying strategically. Diffuse on low heat or let hair air dry until about 90% dry. This minimizes frizz and preserves curl shape. Once fully dry, gently break the gel cast by scrunching and using fingertips to separate clumps, then fluff at the roots for lift. If you see frizz or limp spots, mist with water mixed with a little curl cream and retwist only the affected subsections. This targeted refresh fixes issues without disturbing the whole head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.